Good afternoon. This is Kris Hamann, Executive Director of Prosecutors Center for Excellence, and I'd like our guest to introduce himself.
Hi, Kris. My name's Jonathan Raven from the Yolo County District Attorney's Office, which is in California and about 15 miles from Sacramento and about 70 miles from San Francisco. Our office has about 120 staff and approximately 40 attorneys.
So, Jonathan, I understand that your office has done something very interesting about starting an informal mental health court in the midst of this coronavirus emergency. Could you tell us a little about that?
Yeah, certainly, Kris. It's very exciting. As soon as the coronavirus took place, because mental health court is not an essential court, we basically canceled all court appearances up until mid-May, thinking, hey, we'll be out of the water by mid-May, which of course we won't. And then within a few weeks of that, back in late March, we decided, well, maybe we can continue having our mental health court and do it informally by using Zoom, which everyone is using. And it took a lot of work on the part of our behavioral health team, who works with all the participants very, very closely to teach them how to use Zoom. We had our first mental health court, Zoom court, which went really, really well. The judge was there. He was in his home wearing his robe and walked into the screen as he was announced. And then our host, who's our forensic social worker, admitted the participants into the Zoom room, and we held court.
And what was the purpose of this proceeding?
So we felt that although we couldn't have the formal court, we felt it was still important to continue with the evidence-based practice of having our mental health court participants see the judge and see the DA and the rest of the team at least every other week. And we felt it was really something important to help them because, you know, our goal here with mental health court is to get better engagement with the participants, with supervision, and also with the services, to reduce recidivism and also to enhance public safety. And quite frankly, to help out some very ill individuals, because in our mental health court, it's a requirement that they all suffer from serious mental illnesses.
And who is the team that you're working with in order to put this together?
So we have our champion judge, which I always say is important for a boutique court. We have the DA's office and the public defender's office. And what's really nice in our county is I'm the chief deputy, and my counterpart at the public defender's office is also very involved. So works really well to have some people with some decision-making authority to have their hands in the dirt, so to speak. And then we also have a probation officer who does the intensive supervision, and we have the team of clinicians from Health and Human Services that provide all the services.
Thank you very much, Jonathan. I understand you also have a press release and some photographs that we can share. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you, Kris.